Are you thinking about moving to Houston, Texas and have a budget of about $600,000? Well, I've got you covered. Today, we're giving you an exclusive tour of this beautiful home right here in Harbor Screen, one of Richmond's most sought-after lifestyle-focused communities. This home is from the Chloe plan with nearly 3,000 square feet of beautifully designed living space with 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Now make sure you stick around to the end of the video because we'll also be showing you around the community, checking out some of the amenities, and seeing what's around this area. And we're getting started right now. As soon as you walk in, you notice the tall ceilings, natural light, and a layout that just flows. This open concept family room is anchored by oversized windows, soaring ceilings, and clean sight lines straight through to the kitchen and dining area. Perfect for entertaining or everyday living. Here in the kitchen, you've got granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, an oversized island with bar seating, a large walk-in pantry, and plenty of cabinet space. Just off the kitchen is a casual dining area that overlooks the backyard, perfect for relaxing dinners or morning coffee. The primary suite is located on the main floor, and it's a retreat in every sense. Spacious, bright, and private. The ensuite bath offers double vanities, a soaking tub, a glass enclosed walk-in shower, and a large walk-in closet. If this is your first time on the channel and you want to know everything about moving to and living in Houston and the surrounding areas, then hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. I'm David Janssen. My team and I get calls and texts every single day from people just like you to help them make their move to the Houston area. And we love it. So whether you're moving next week or next year, if it's across the country or local, we're here to help every step of the way. All of our contact information, including a link to my calendar, is in the description below. Upstairs, you land in this open room that overlooks a family room below, which is great as a second living space, a kids zone, or media area. Up here, you also find 3 additional bedrooms and a dedicated media room, or it can be used as a private office. As you step outside to your covered patio, the perfect spot for grilling or relaxing with friends. The backyard is fully fenced, has plenty of green space, and offers room for a pool, gardening, or just a simple outdoor retreat. But what truly sets this home apart is the community it's in, Harvest Green. This isn't just a neighborhood, it's a lifestyle. Here you'll find an on-site working farm and weekly farmers market. There are over 280 acres of green space, 30 acres of lakes, and miles of hiking and bike trails. A full amenity center with resort-style pool, splash pads, fitness center, dog park, and event lawn. In addition to that, you'll find kayaking, paddleboarding, and a catch and release fishing pond right in the neighborhood. It's everything you expect to find in a master plan community, but with an emphasis on outdoor living and wellness you won't find just anywhere. Location-wise, you're in a great spot. Harvest Green sits right off of Grand Parkway, which is also known as 99, making it easy to reach Sugar Land, Katy, and the Energy Corridor, and even downtown Houston. You're just minutes from H-E-B, Target, Costco, restaurants, and shopping centers. Now, Harvest Green is zoned to the highly rated Fort Bend Independent School District, which includes Neal Elementary, Bowie Middle, and Travis High Schools. Now, you can head on over to niche.com or greatschools.org and research all these schools. So there you go, that wraps up our tour of this home and Harvest Green. This home gives you a thoughtful layout, beautiful finishes, and a one-of-a-kind community that you'll absolutely love. Thinking about making the move to Richmond, Harvest Green, or anywhere else in the greater Houston area, my team would love to help you. Use the link down in the description to book a call, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment to let me know what you'd like to see next.